Welcome back everyone, this is Kanechi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel and together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, for this episode guys, I'm gonna be doing one of my daily sketches and for today's character will be Luffy from One Piece. Okay, so let's not waste any more time, let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So now I'm done with the illustration and it's so pleasing to look at my work, and I will show it to you now. So here is Monkey D. Luffy. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not that comfortable drawing in this style, especially with the eyes. And the one thing that I can spot on from this illustration is the saturation, because I've only used watercolors for this thing, and you have to layer more colors in a piece using watercolors if you want to make your colors more vibrant and more saturated in that case. So yeah, that's it. And next time I'll be drawing Luffy as a female character, so stay tuned for that. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.